Dehradun Institute of Technology University, established in 1998, is a private university located in Dehradun. It holds an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars on Shiksha.com, which is also the rating given to its BTech program by students. The BTech course is offered through the School of Computing and the School of Engineering and Technology. In this review of the BTech program, we will begin by looking at the placements which students have given a rating of 3.6 stars. According to the official data, in the 2023-24 placement season, the top recruiters for the School of Computing included Palo Alto, Blinkit and Zomato, with Palo Alto offering a highest package of 58 lakh per annum. In total, 172 companies visited the campus, making 581 offers. Of the 464 students who opted for placements, 417 were successfully placed, giving an impressive placement rate of 88%. The average salary offered was 6.94 lakh per annum. For the School of Engineering and Technology, top recruiters included JSW, MEIL Group, Deloitte and Secure Meters. A total of 53 companies visited the campus, offering 83 placements to 68 students with a placement rate of 77%. The highest salary offered was 9.5 lakh per annum, while the average salary was 4.9 lakh per annum. When compared to the other institutions in Dehradun, such as Dev Bhoomi Uttarakhand University, DIT offers a higher average salary, making it the more favorable option for students. As for internships, students have noted that DIT provides various opportunities. Looking at the academic details, the BTech program at DIT spans multiple branches such as computer science, information technology, civil, electrical, electronics and communication, mechanical and petroleum. Specializations in the fields like data science, cybersecurity, robotics and carbon neutrality, among others, are also available. To be eligible for the BTech program, students must have completed class 12th with a PCM background and an aggregate score of 50 to 60%, though specific requirements may vary by specialization. Looking at the cost, the total tuition fees can range from 8.5 lakh rupees to 14 lakh rupees. Students from Uttarakhand and Himalayan states are eligible for a 26% scholarship on fees. The total tuition fees for them can range between 7 to 11.5 lakhs. DIT also offers merit-based scholarships based on board exam scores, JEE rank, CUET scores and other criterias. Shifting our focus to the 4.1 rated infrastructure. The campus features a well-equipped library, Wi-Fi, auditorium, seminar halls, cafeterias, and transportation facilities. It also houses specialized research centers, including those for industrial automation and robotics and the Internet of Things. Hostels are available for both boys and girls with modern kitchens, dining halls, and various sports facilities such as football and basketball. Students have praised the hostel facilities in their reviews. Moving on now to faculty and course, which have been given a rating of 3.8 by students on Shiksha.com. As per student reviews, faculty members come from esteemed institutions like NITs and IITs and are highly qualified and approachable. The curriculum is relevant and updated. DIT has international collaborations with universities like Portland State University, Tribhuvan University, and the Milwaukee School of Engineering. This allows for an exchange program and academic opportunities for both students and faculty. The university also organizes industrial visits, workshops, and seminars regularly. Now turning our attention to campus life, which is rated 4.1 stars. The campus life is lively with events such as the Freshers Party, Dandiya Night, Sports Fest, and the annual cultural festival Utopia. Lastly, in the NRF 2024 rankings, DIT University is placed in the 201 to 300 band for engineering. For more details on DIT Dehradun and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.